Hello, my name is Linbox. Today we are going to talk about a very practical topic, the wiring method of a GFCI socket. If the sockets in humid places like your kitchen, bathroom, or balcony haven't to been changed to GFCI yet, then this video must be helpful to you. GFCI stands for Ground Fault Circuit Interrupter, also called a leakage protection socket. It can cut off power the moment it detects a leakage, preventing electric shock accidents. Many old houses use ordinary sockets. Changing them to GFCI is equivalent to adding an extra layer of life protection. Before you do it, the power must be cut off. Turn off the air switch on the line where the socket is located. Then test it with a voltage pen. Confirm that there is no power, and then operate. 1. Identify the live wire neutral wire and ground wire. The live wire hot wire is usually black or red. The neutral wire is white. The ground wire is green or bare copper. 2. Connect the line first. Connect the live wire to the line terminal, the side marked hot or with a gold screw. Connect the neutral wire to the line terminal, the side with a silver screw. Do not reverse them. 3. Do you need to connect the load terminals? If you only want to protect this socket, do not connect anything to the load side. If you also want to protect downstream sockets, connect the downstream live wire and neutral wire to the screws corresponding to the load terminals. 4. Ground wire. Connect the ground wire to the green screw. If there is no ground wire in the box, the GFCI still works, but the protection effect will be reduced. After connecting, push the socket back into the box, screw it on, and close the cover. Turn on the switch. Press the reset button on the GFCI panel. The indicator light should turn on. If the indicator light does not turn on, and pressing reset gives no response, don't panic. Maybe you connected the live wire and neutral wire upside down, or the line and load are reversed. GFCI with reverse wiring protection will refuse to work. This is a safety feature. After cutting off power, reconnect the terminals correctly, power wires to line side, then try again. Then press the test button. It should click and trip off, meaning the protection function is normal. Press reset again to reset, and it can be used normally.